All right, so I thought I was going to end the video, but let's see if we can make a little more money. So this is the previous trade we had where we bought at 215.5 and then it held right here with this resistance line, this support line. If it can start moving back over here, we're going to make another entry at 500 shares. So let's see. 500 shares, we'll put the order in for 215. What's the bottom of this candle? 215.3. So we'll move it up by 5 cents. And let's just keep a close eye on it. Because if you look at the 5-minute, it is holding. It's holding this line right here. So with that in mind, we are going to buy 500 shares at 215.35. But we need a little bit of a sell-off here to try to re-enter this trade. So we'll just give it a little time to work itself out. We're up $372 or $370 on the day. But that might have been the bottom right there. All right, guys, so this trade has been working out so far. We bought 500 shares at 215.77. We have 500, average price 215.77. Told you we're up on the day. But now with this, we're up almost at least $1,000 on this because, well, 218.8. So it should be 1,500 right now. So we're going to start taking some profit on this, but we bought this double bottom here. We bought a little early here because this is the level that we had. It broke through, and I just watched it. It was going to take the loss at 215 because that was low of day, but it didn't break that low of day at 215. Look, it held right here and here. But now we're going to start taking some profits because we're looking at the overall chart on this. We got lucky. We got the bounce. We marked out these levels of our resistance and support. But I definitely think it's time to at least start shedding the position because you have it here is where we were marking it. And you can see in the previous video because I posted another Tesla trades I was doing today. So this is just an update to it here and here. And I'm just going to change these to that. Okay, so here we go. So here, we're up here. It looks like you have some clear resistance up at this level. Kind of want to take some profits up here. I feel like I'm being greedy if I don't. This is a great spread here. So we're going to play this as if this is going to be resistance. I could be wrong, obviously. But I'd rather lock in some profits here. So we're going to sell. We're going to sell 450 because that's an excellent gain. Do market sell. We just sold into that greenish. Because look, 219.47 is VWAP. And after seeing that, you know what? I'm just going to take the profits. So we're holding 50 shares. It's testing the VWAP. I'm going to be smart here. I'm just going to take the profits. As you can see here, we bought 215.77, sold at 219.23, 450 shares. And then we just sold an additional, let me just move this up a little bit so you can see. We just sold an additional 50 shares right there, so 500 total. Now let's just look at the profits for the day, but look at VWAP here. This is a great example of sometimes you're selling into this, and then we'll go over the total profit. But here's your VWAP line, and it's been rejecting VWAP right here. It rejected VWAP right here. Almost got close to VWAP, and now it's getting close to VWAP again. So I don't want to be holding this, and then it pulls back. I don't know if it will, but let's look at the overall profit. Let's see where we're at, and we'll take it from there. So as you can see right here, this is from the earlier video that I posted today where you had my buys and sells, but this was I bought this around 14:04, so 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We bought the $215.77. We bought that breakout, and then it sold off on us back down to 215. I was about to take the loss. I didn't. And then once it had that green candle up, I just went for it and just held it. And then here we go. We got looks like almost 4 points. So that's 2,100 on the day. So that was a nice like $1,700, $1,800 gain. So that's a nice trading day. We started trading at what, 12:55. and then we took a little break, then we held the position through. So 2,100 on the day. It's a nice profit. And just by marking the levels and then following a stop loss if it breaks, and then just trying to see if it'll hold those levels. And then if it does, just give the trade time to play out. But that's it. Just want to give a quick update on the P&L for the day and just doing 500 shares at a time for Tesla.